Hello again. Here we will use this image and we will extract text from this image using pytesseract module. Okay. The first step is install the package pytesseract. To do that, we go to the terminal and we type pip install pytesseract. Hit enter. And the installation is completed. Now we can close these and do our code. And the first thing that we need to do is import pytesseract as test. Also from pil import image because we need to load the image. Then we declare image is equals to image.open and we will open the image file text.png. So we go here and we type text.png. After this we just need to text is equals to test.image underscore to underscore string and we pass the image. In the end we print the text. To run this, we just need to open the terminal and type py image to text.py. Hit enter and we got an error. Tesseract not found error. Tesseract is not installed or it is not in your path. If we go to the pytesseract project website, we can see in the installation that, let me increase the font size. In the installation they say that we need to do pip install pytesseract, and also they talk here that we need to install Google Tesseract OCR. So we follow this link. We end up in a GitHub page. In this page we go down and we will find installing Tesseract. So let me increase the font size again. And they talk here that we need to install something. Install Tesseract via pre-built binary package or build it from source. And we will choose the install Tesseract via pre-built binary package. We click on this. Here we will search for Windows because I am using Windows and they say to follow this link tesseract at ubm something, and I click here and we end up in another GitHub page. In this page we go a little down and here it is the binaries that we need to download. I will choose the 64. Download is complete and we start the installation by double clicking on the file. Please select the language. I choose English. Okay, and next. I agree and install just for me. Next, next again and next again and install. Next and finish. Now we can go to Visual Studio Code and try to run this again, and we got the same error. Why? Because we need to add Tesseract as an environment variable, and we can do this in the code. So we go here and we say test.pytesseract.tesseractcmd is equals to r and a string, and this guy is located at C users, your username, app data, local tesseract -ocr. We copy this path and we paste here. Also we need to include here the name of the executable, so we go again here and we copy the name of the executable tesseract.exe. We go here and we paste, we save, and after this we can run our code. We got hello. Let's try another file, text hand. Let me change here the name, text hand, and let's execute this one, and we got this result. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. This is the end. As always, you can download the source code. The link is in the description of this video. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like. It will help me, and thank you for watching.